So here, listing title. As a mentor, your listing title, you are advertising yourself. So the first thing that you want to present is your name. Morgan. You can also add your last name too. It'll make it a little easier for people to find you. And then add what services you're offering. So in my case, let's call it career coaching and business consulting. The next thing we're going to do is add the category. This is important because this will help your listing to go into the right section. So when people search for you through our search engine, they'll have an easier time to find you based on their needs. So in my case, we're going to go with, I'm going to the career category. You can add multiple categories. So let's say you're a career coach, but you're also want to consult or be a parenting mentor. Let's say, then you can add that on as well, and then you would add, let's say, the family category on top of that. Don't worry about the service category. There's really nothing to choose there. But here we have features. This again is also really important because it helps people to narrow down based on their needs the search funnel and get to you a little bit faster that way. So be careful to read through and click all the things that apply to your services and experience. So in my case, since we're doing business consulting, business applies to me. Career shadowing, that's more so in the event that you're a career mentor and you're looking to give people a day in the life and explain to them, how your job works and what you do. That would be you. And you can click there. There's a lot of other things we could choose from. I'm doing coaching, business counseling. Let's see. And there's a lot of stuff here. Let's see, something around parenting. Let's say babies. Sure. Okay. And finally, you can add in keywords. So let's say I would add in mom. That's one thing. Career coaching, business consulting. And separate all of your keywords with a comma so the system understands it. All right, next, location. Here you can be as general or specific as you want. This is just to kind of give people an idea of where you are in the country, so that way if they want to work with a mentor that's a little bit closer to them or in their time zone, they can identify that. So I'm going to just give a general location of New York. And if you hit enter, you'll see that there's a drop down and you can select your specific location from the drop down. It gets as granular or as general as you would like it to be. And then the friendly address, this just means that this is what people will see when they actually look at your profile. So sometimes your actual address as Google interprets it and your address as you might interpret it or give to your post office is a little bit different. So you want to make sure that you provide both so people understand.